Remote Bliss. Written by M. Cheryl Green. Read by Dan Gold.
The last sun rays streaked the western sky as another dog day of summer ended. Josele Henry rocked gently on the front porch of her cottage. It was secluded by pine and oak trees off State Road 1723 in Cumberland County near Fayetteville, North Carolina. She smiled and laid her head back after tuning into her favorite jazz radio station. Josele's only companions, Cujo and Bingo, lay in the grass beyond the porch. Cujo, a mongrel resembling a bloodhound, suddenly perked his ears. When alert, his meaty frame was taut, more like a Rottweiler. Bingo, a young beagle hound, looked up from his nap. In an instant, they raced toward the dirt path driveway, barking, scouring the area. The rustling and crackling of twigs sounded in the distance. Josele squinted for a better look. A figure darted through the bushes and the pine trees. It might be human. Maybe it was an illusion or an apparition, but that was not something Josele would entertain. She either saw something or she didn't. Josele picked up her binoculars. She always liked zeroing in on the critters. This time, the binoculars didn't reveal much of anything. She picked up the computer remote and pointed it at the window, muting the speakers. "Quiet, Cujo!" Cujo's barking ceased. He stared down the driveway, whining, his ears still perked. Bingo stood in the middle of the driveway, continuing his high-pitched bark. "Bingo, be quiet!" Bingo glanced at her, then back down the driveway. He bounded toward the trees. Cujo shot ahead of his companion. Both dogs disappeared into the underbrush. Josele stood, leaned forward, and inspected the yard. "Who's there?" Her gravelly, low-pitched voice drew out the words. Her curly, gray, boy-cut hair accentuated her pecan-colored skin, and, even at age 72, her willowy frame was well-toned. Barks and growls from the dogs were her only response. She scanned the area once more with her binoculars. Probably a fox, or maybe a black bear. She'd seen one out here before. She went inside.